Yeah, g'day, how's it going? Cliff here. I'm going to do Plazaman hot side pipe today in the Nissan R51 Pathfinder. Got this off Plazaman, but because most of the places are all on the east side of Melbourne, I found a place over here. It's called Race Parts Melbourne. It's in Lynax Drive, Lynax Court in Point Cook, right next to the highway there. So it's right near Boardwalk Avenue for those that live over the west side. They sell all race parts for all different types of cars, down little bolts all the way up to, you know, doors and whatever. And if they don't have it, they'll put you onto it. So they got this for me, and they got it sent 3 days I think it took from Plazaman. So awesome. I'll show you what I'm going to replace. Okay, this is the rubber, whatever it is, stupid squeezy. Look at it, squeezy piece of crap. I don't even know why they put these jiggers in there. Anyway, we're going to replace it from there down to there and use the Plazaman. Haven't unwrapped it yet, I just got it out of the box. And Plazaman, the awesome Plazaman people, have sent us a sticker, everyone. Cliff loves stickers. And we're going to, apparently the instructions are all online. I've got to do one of them poopsie doopsie things there. New age people, but we're going to check and make sure everything's in there, and we're going to get onto it. Stupid rubber pipes. Okay, just looked at the instructions. You got to QR code it to get the manual, and if you want to get on there, that's them there. And I'll put a picture up of the Race Parts Melbourne sign at their address, and yeah, we're going to get into it now. I'm just about to take it out. Don't forget to check out RPM, Race Parts Melbourne in Point Cook. Yeah, g'day. That was our Plazaman hot side installation video on our tips and tricks and hacks playlist. Anyway, we're going away to O'Toole's campground in next weekend, which will be the Australia Day sort of long weekend. We get the Thursday off, but we've got Friday off, so yeah, we'll head out there. Should be some fun. We're heading out with All Terrain Action and a couple other people, and yeah, hope to get a video up of that maybe the week after that for you. And I've got another installation hack that we're doing next week, so stay tuned. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. It helps out everyone, and yeah, we'll just get a few more videos out there for you. Anyway, stay safe people, and enjoy, don't destroy.